All right, I think we have the best 2-bedroom bumper pool. Look at this. It's got all the options on it. LED lighting, solid steps, 2 ACs. And this is a lucky trailer. Whoever buys this trailer, you're gonna be lucky. The little ladybugs have been hibernating all winter. There's like a bunch of them in here. It's so cute. All right, you got a queen bedroom back in the back, a real full queen. But look at this. Oh my gosh, dinette sleeper, sofa sleeper. You got a pantry, another pantry, closet, fireplace. Look at this, private bedroom. This is a great trailer and a nice, beautiful bathroom.